Hey Molly, what you doing today? The birds are flying around, wanting to know where their seeds are. Once again, it's empty. They're getting angry again. I need to fill it up this evening when I get through with my household chores. But I wanted to show my new little bird feeder that I got on Amazon. What's funny is I thought it was going to be bigger, but it's not. It's probably less than 12 inches high. But I thought it was cute, and I was going to replace one of my other ones out there, but I don't think it's big enough. And it's too cute to get beat up by the birds, because they really do some pecking. So I'll just leave it here and let it be cute. Maybe the smaller birds will discover it. But we got a little rain today. Maybe I won't have to water. But we'll see. The way the outlook is, it's supposed to be a chance for rain every day. So if we can get a shower every day, maybe that'll be good. But also, I wanted to show you how much my cactuses have grown. Most of these were just starters from over the winter. But they have really grown. Got some under there too I need to check on. Might need watering. But yeah, they really take off and grow outside. See? See, my buckets are full. It came off the roof. And another thing I wanted to show is the moonflower's about to bloom again. Here's how it looks before it blooms. I don't know if it'll bloom tonight or tomorrow night, but it's got several buds up there. And if it could get sun right in there where it's vined up, it'd be a lot more. Yeah. Can't wait for that. You know, I'll take a picture. But my other flowers are blooming. I thought was over with. The sunflower that broke. Not many roses blooming right now. Only the knockout roses. And of course my geranium and the begonias are still going strong. Molly, you want to go in? You want to go in or you want to stay out? There's my pretty cat, my pretty girl. Molly. Molly. There's my pineapple. It's grown a lot, but I don't see a pineapple. That's about all for today. I gotta go in and do the dishes and straighten up. Probably throw in some clothes, a load of clothes, so I can go out later on today. Everyone take care, and the people that are in the line of storms, keep your eye out for the weather. Talk to y'all soon.